Hi everybody, welcome to Quarantine Cooking with Carolyn. You know, it's a really hot day here in Colorado. When I first started making these videos, I would often lament, when is it gonna get hot? Because we'd get these nice, lovely days and then it would dump snow on us again. Well, it has finally gotten hot. And matter of fact, I think it was close to 90 degrees today. So I thought I would show you a nice summer salad. And this is a really nice, actually this is one of our favorite summer salads. So let me go ahead and get started. It's also a very versatile salad. And I'll show you what I mean by that in a few minutes. What you want to do is start off with a package of this saffron yellow rice. And I believe you find this where you find the other flavored rices, although different stores could be different. You might have to hunt for it, but it is very affordable. It's usually about $1 a package. And you want to make this according to the package directions. Easy peasy, right? I've already got mine back here and it's already done. Okay, now at this point, we're going to come over to the skillet, and I've got this already warming, and you can add, at this point, here's where the versatility comes in. You can add to the skillet 1 pound of your choice ground beef, ground chicken, ground turkey, or in my case, I am using already cooked chicken breast meat that I had left from something else. And I don't know if I'm going to use all of it. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. And to this, I'm going to add a teaspoon of minced garlic, or 1 clove of minced garlic. And then 1 teaspoon each of chili powder. And my chili powder is really hot, so I'm going to cut it back a little bit. And a teaspoon of cumin. And then salt and pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon each on those. And we're just going to mix this all up, and we're just going to get it mixed up, you know, just to incorporate all the spices. Now, if you are making this with, say, ground beef, you would get your rice going first, then start the ground beef, add your spices, do all the cooking, drain the ground beef before you go on to this next step, which is to add our cooked rice. Okay. Oof, that is a heavy pot. Okay. And I am just going to mix this all up. So since my chicken's already cooked, it's just about getting it warm at this point. And to be honest, this is not one of those dishes where it has to be super hot to be good. This actually could be a little bit room temperature and it would be just fine. Absolutely. So I'm just going to turn this down to just kind of a simmer while we fix the rest of the meal. So in my the bowl of my salad spinner here, I chopped up 1 head of romaine lettuce. And what I did was I used the heart of the romaine, not the big whole leafy head. And to that, I've added about 1 cup of tomatoes. And I'm using, what I did was just slice some cherry tomatoes in half. And to this, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of red onion. And I'm going to add 1 can of rinsed and drained black beans, or in my case, pinto beans, because I didn't have any black beans. And these are just straight out of the can. We're not warming them. And I'm just tossing that all together. Now, at this point, you could also add 1 cup of either frozen or fresh or canned corn if you'd like to, and just thaw. If you're using the frozen, just thaw that really good, and you could add that in here as well. Okay, next step. Easy so far, right? In this bowl, I have 2/3 of a cup of non-fat Greek yogurt. You could also use like a low-fat sour cream if you want to. It's totally up to you. And to that, I'm going to add an equal amount of salsa. So 2/3 of a cup of salsa. I'm going to mix that. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of chili powder again. And again, I'm cutting back because it's hot. And about a half a teaspoon of cumin. And I'm just going to mix all of that up. And this makes a yummy dressing. Even if you're not putting it on this salad, it makes a really nice yummy dressing. And it's very low-cal too, which is always a plus, right? Now at this point, you can drizzle this over the dressing, or over the salad, I mean, just like that. Or you could serve it on the side, because some people like more dressing, some people like less. I think I'm going to do a little bit of both. I'm going to put like sort of a little bit on and then have the rest on the side. So there we go. I'm going to set that aside for a minute. Now comes the fun part. Now at this point, you could serve all of the components and let everybody help themselves, but I want to show you how we're going to do this. So you're going to take a bit of that salad mixture here. Like that. And to that, you're going to add some of our chicken mixture, chicken and rice here. All right. Ooh, another heavy pan. I've got to start pumping iron or something, guys. And a little sprinkle of cheese. And that's all there is to it. It's colorful, it's summery, and it's really pretty easy, guys. So give this a try. I know you've got this.